students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today let me start GK Unit 5, Amazing World. Chapter number 33, Sobriquets. Match the places with their sobriquets. Places and this. Punjab, Granary of Bharat. Option C. Number 2, Coimbatore, Manchester of the South, Bengaluru, Garden City. Number 4, Kolkata, City of Joy. Option B. Jaipur, Pink City. Number 6, Kerala, God's own country. Number 7, Manipur, Jewel of Bharat. And the last one, Udaipur, Venice of the East. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 34. National Parks of Bharat. Name the states where the following sanctuaries, national parks and are located. Number 1, Rola National Park, Himachal Pradesh. प्रदेश में शॉर्ट में लिख देती हूँ. नंबर 2, गिर नेशनल पार्क, गुजरात. मुदुमलाई सेंचुरी, तमिलनाडु. नंबर 4, दुधवा नेशनल पार्क, उत्तर प्रदेश. Number 5, Ghana Bird Sanctuary, Rajasthan. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. Number 7, Hazaribagh National Park, Jharkhand. बंदीपुर नेशनल पार्क, कर्नाटका. नंबर 9, पेरियर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, केरला. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, असम. कान्हा नेशनल पार्क, मध्य प्रदेश. कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, उत्तराखंड. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35, World Parliaments. Parliament is the center of any form of democracy. It refers to a country's legislative body. Given below are the names of some parliaments of the world. Write the names of the countries where they are located. Parliament and country. Jatiyo Sansad, Bangladesh. Number 2, Knesset, Israel. संसद यानी कि पार्लियामेंट है भारत में. कोर्ट्स जनरल्स. नंबर 4, स्पेन. मजलिस अशूरा, पाकिस्तान. Stoting. Next one is Stoting, Norway. Shura, number 7, Afghanistan. Number 8, Riksdag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweden. Diet, Japan. Number 10, Congress, USA, United States America. Okay, forgetting it. Number 11, Denmark. Bundestag, Germany. Okay, it's done, my dear students. This chapter is completed here. Okay, so now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 36, Indian ports. Bharat has a long coastline with many ports. Read the descriptions and write the names of the ports using the help box. Number 1. This port is in Odisha. It mostly handles coal and iron ore cargo. ये है पारादीप पोर्ट. It was the first port in Bharat. It is located towards north of Chennai and Nord Port. Located on the coast of Andhra Pradesh, it is the deepest land located port, Visakhapatnam Port. Number 4, India's first private port. It is located in Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Located in Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Port Pipavav. Number 5, it is the only river port in Bharat. ये है कोलकाता पोर्ट. Number 6, this port is famous for pearl fishing. It is located in Tamil Nadu. ये है Tuticorin Port. Tuticorin Port. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 37. Lost and found. Some cities of the world were abandoned in the past and rediscovered centuries later. So read the clues and complete their names. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let me start. Number 1, a vast temple city in Cambodia which features the remains of several capitals of the Khmer Empire. ये है Angkor. ANGKOR. Look at number 2. Located on the mountain ridge above the Urubamba Valley, it is often called the lost city of the Incas, Machu Picchu. Number 3, the capital of Babylonia, the city stood on the banks of the Euphrates River. It was best known for its beautiful hanging gardens. ये है Babylon. Next, number 4, known for its intricate rock-cut architecture and advanced water drainage system. So this city was built on the slope of Mount Hor. ये है Petra. Number 5. Founded in 3100 BC, this was the legendary city of Minsk, the king who united Upper and Lower Egypt. Number 5. Okay. Number 5 is this. This legendary city is the place where the Trojan War took place. It was famous in Homer's epic poem, the इलियाड, ये है ट्रॉय। Founded in 100 BC, this was the legendary city of Menes, the king who united Upper and Lower Egypt. So it is Memphis. On August 24, 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted and completely buried the Roman city under ash and pumic. It remained lost for over 1700 years until it was rediscovered in 1749. Number 7 is this. Okay. Number 7. This ancient city was built around 2600 BC in present-day Pakistan. It was one of the best planned cities with around 35,000 residents. Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro. Last one, number 8. On August 24, 79, at Mount Vesuvius erupted and completely buried the Roman city under ash and fumigate. Remained lost for over 1700 years until it was rediscovered in 1749. ये है Pompeii, Pompeic. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. Cities of the world on the riverside. Many cities of the world are situated on the bank of river. Fill in the blanks to complete the given chart. City, river and country. Okay. Now, Allahabad, Bharat, Ganga. Yangon, Irrawaddy, Myanmar. London, dash, England. Thames. Paris, dash of France. Number 4. Seine. Cairo, dash, Egypt. Number 5. Nil Nadi. Lahore, Indus, Pakistan. Lahore, Indus, Pakistan. Rome, dash, Italy. Number 7. Tiber. Number 8. Hamburg, Elbe, dash, Germany. New York, dash, dash. New York, dash, dash. New York, Hudson, US. Number 10, Vienna, Danube. Moscow. Number 11, Moscow. Russia. Number 12, Kyiv, Ukraine. Number 13, Tokyo, Arakawa. And the state is Japan. Number 12, number 14, Marsa Vistula, Poland. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 39. Chapter number 39, New Parliament of Bharat. As part of India's Central Vista redevelopment project, a new parliament building was constructed in New Delhi. It was inaugurated on 28 May 2023 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Page number 57. Okay. So this chapter only for reading. The triangular shape. The new building is triangular in shape mostly because the plot of land that it is built on is a triangle. So according to architect Bimal Patel, the shape is also a nod to the sacred geometry in different religions. Its design and materials are meant to complement the old parliament. Okay, so with the two buildings expected to function as one complex built up area, the new parliament building has 3 stories and a built up area of 64,500 square meter. The Lok Sabha chamber will have 888 seats, up from the existing 543, with the option of expanded seating up to 1,272. The Lok Sabha will be used for joint sitting of both houses in the absence of a central hall, which was the fulcrum of the old building. The cost of building it. The cost of the new parliament, however, remains unknown. The initial contract was given rate 861.9 crore to Tata Projects, but by the time the project started, the cost revved up to 971 crore. Since then, government officials say the cost has gone up to 1,200 crore. So this included 200 crore for the artwork procured by the Culture Ministry. The government is yet to announce the final completion cost. So this is our new Parliament of Bharat. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Volcanoes. A volcano is a mountain or a hill with an opening through which hot molten lava comes out. Given below are pictures and descriptions of some volcanoes. Identify them and fill in their names. Okay, so number 1 is the most active volcano in Indonesia. So which? Mount Merapi. Number 2. Dash is one of the world's most dangerous volcanoes. It is located in Italy, Mount Vesuvius. Number 3. Dash is an active volcano and a former island in Japan. Sakurajima. Number 4. Dash is the second most active volcano in the Philippines. Taal volcano. Dash in Hawaii is an active shield volcano. Number 5 is Mauna Loa. Number 6. Dash is the largest active volcano in the world. Santa Maria. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. Ukraine-Russia war. Chapter number 41, Ukraine-Russia war. The attack on Ukraine by Russia is potentially the onset of war in Europe on top of Russia's behest for an end to NATO's eastward expansion. The launch of the major invasion by Russia on Ukraine that started with air and missile assaults on Ukraine military target before sending troops, and Ukraine military fought back. So troops and tanks across the country's northern, eastern and southern borders. On many fronts, the Ukraine military fought back. In a video speech delivered early Friday, February 25, President Volodymyr Zelensky announced that 137 people had been killed, including troops and civilians, and that hundreds more had been injured. So read and learn the following question answer about Ukraine and Russia war. On 24th February 2022, Russia invaded Ukraine in an escalation to the Russo-Ukrainian war, which began in 2014. So answer the following question. What is the conflict between Russia and Ukraine? The conflict between Russia and Ukraine can be traced okay, so answer is too long, so I have verbally told you. Okay, so what is the conflict between Russia and Ukraine? The conflict between Russia and Ukraine, reason is can be traced back to 2014 when the Ukraine revolution in 2000. Okay, Ukraine revolution of dignity started, which focused on crime and domes. ओके, तो इनके आपस में जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुए थे 2014 में स्टार्ट हुए थे, है ना, कुछ चीज़ों को लेके. नंबर 2, व्हेन डिड यूक्रेन स्प्लिट from Russia? So when in 1991 Soviet Union on USSR, ठीक है, so USSR was dissolved, Ukraine was separated from it. यूक्रेन जो है इससे सेपरेट हो गया था रशिया से. नंबर 3, what parts of Ukraine does Russia control? So Russia controls crime and parts of domes which are internationally, ठीक है, तो उनका जो है इंटरनेशनली आपस में ये वॉर छिड़ता है, इसी वजह से. सो एज द पार्ट ऑफ यूक्रेन द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन रशिया एंड यूक्रेन इज सिंस 2014 फॉर दीज डेज. ओके, रूसो यूक्रेनियन वॉर विच बिगेन इन 2014. तो तब से इनका आपस में झगड़ा चलता आ रहा था, वो शुरू हुआ invaded Ukraine and escalation of the Russo-Ukraine war which began in 2014. Number 4, when did the war between Ukraine and Russia start? 2022. 24 Feb. So 24 Feb 2022 Ukraine was attacked by Russia. 2022 में जो है यूक्रेन जो है रशिया के थ्रू उस पे अटैक हुआ. ओके, फॉर मिलिट्री, ये ना, for military started with the air missile assault on Ukraine military target before sending troops and tanks across the country's northern, eastern and southern borders. तो तभी इनका जो है war start हुआ. So everyone, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.